In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of creating a box plot using Alteryx and Tableau. In Alteryx, let's load our Titanic dataset. We're interested to find out the passenger demographics of the Titanic, such as the age distribution of the passengers by gender. Looking at the relevant fields such as age and sex, we notice that there are some null values in these fields. We can use the data cleansing tool to remove the null values in these fields. Next, let's drag the interactive chart tool, and in the configuration page, we add a layer and select the box and whisker chart to create our box plot. In the x-axis, we select sex, and for the y-axis, let's select age. When we hover over the box plot, we can see values such as the median, quartile 1 as well as quartile 3. To save the box plot, we can use the render tool to export the box plot in a temporary PDF document. Over to Tableau. After filtering out the null values, let's drag the categorical variable sex to the columns shelf and the continuous numeric variable age onto the rows shelf. In the Show Me tab, let's select the box and whisker plots. As all the data points are aggregated into two single points, we can disaggregate the points by deselecting the aggregate measures from the Analysis tab. This is how we create a box plot in Tableau.